In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on your Amazon account. Whether you've legally changed your name or simply want to update your profile, the process is quite straightforward. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to make the necessary changes with confidence. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Amazon account. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the Amazon website. In the upper right corner of the home page, you'll notice a prompt to sign in. Click on it and enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Amazon provides a simple password recovery option to help you get back in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Your Account section. You can find this by hovering over the Account and Lists area near the top of the page, which will open up a drop-down menu. In this menu, you can see various options, but today we're focusing on changing your name. So click on Your Account. Within Your Account, you'll need to find the Login and Security option. This is where you can manage many of your personal details and security settings. Selecting Login and Security will direct you to a new page displaying your account information, including your current name, email, mobile number, and password. Now, look for the section that displays your name. Next to it, you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to begin the process of changing your name. This will allow you to input your new name, but before you proceed, make sure your new name is exactly how you want it to appear. Consider all aspects of the name change, whether you're altering just your first or last name, or both. Once you have entered your new name, double-check to ensure everything is correct. After entering your new name, the system will prompt you to confirm the change. It's critical here to ensure that the name entered is as you would like it permanently displayed, because this will be how Amazon refers to you across its platform, including in shipping details and various communications. Once you're satisfied with the name you've entered, it's time to save the changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it. By doing so, you're officially confirming the update, and Amazon will apply the changes to your account. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your name on your Amazon account. This feature is straightforward, but it's essential to be meticulous to avoid any errors that might cause confusion later on. Remember, you can return to this section anytime you need to make further updates or corrections. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, happy shopping!